How to fix your iPhone keeps saying no SIM card. So if your phone is struggling to detect your SIM card or it keeps cutting in and out, then I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to go and solve this issue. Now the first thing you need to do is try power cycling the device. So we can do this with a simple key combination. So all you need to do is quickly tap the volume up button, quickly tap the volume down button, and then you need to hold the lock screen button on the right hand side of your phone. Now you're going to continue to hold this button down until eventually the iPhone screen goes completely black. Now even when it's black, continue to hold the lock screen button down, and after about 10 more seconds you'll see the Apple logo appear. You can then go and release your finger from the lock screen button, and then you can try restarting your phone and checking if your SIM card is now detected. If it's still not working, then what we can do is go and open up the settings on your phone, and then you'll just need to scroll down to General. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. You can then press Reset and select Reset Network Settings. Now you need to enter your iPhone's passcode to go and confirm these changes, and once your settings have been reset, you can check if your SIM card is now working. Now if you're still having an issue, then head back over to the main settings page, and this time click on Mobile Service. You can then scroll down to your list of SIM cards and go and select the SIM that you're having issues with. You need to make sure Turn on this line is enabled like so, and you also need to scroll down and make sure data roaming is turned on. You can then select Mobile Data Network, and you can press Reset Settings at the bottom of the page, and once again check to see if that solves the issue. Now if it's still not working, there's likely an issue with the physical SIM card in your device. So what you'll need to do is use a SIM removal tool to go and remove your SIM card. You could then grab a dry cloth and just try cleaning the physical SIM card. Sometimes you may get dust or debris that kind of builds up around this. You'll also need to make sure the tray is completely clean as well. Now place the SIM card back onto the tray and reinsert it into the phone. Make sure everything is securely pushed into place, and that should fix the issue where your SIM card keeps disconnecting.